Whether your direction is due south, far east, or going west, True North Business Consulting can take you there with unique legal coaching so you understand making legal decisions and private mediation services. True North Business Consulting understands that you are an expert in your business. You know you need legal help with contracts and waivers before things go south. True North Business Consulting is also a proud supporter of health and wellness practitioners and happy to be the place for acupuncturists, massage therapists, life coaches, and health educators when you need a guiding star and when it comes to getting your business on track going forward. Each month, True North Business Consulting presents our informational video to help that compass keep going north. True North. As a mediator, I facilitate conversations and help people reach agreements. I also see the same mistakes repeated and want to share how you can avoid these disagreements in court in general. 1. Do not buy anything together unless you are married. You think that you'll be together forever and therefore want to buy that car or house because with both of your incomes, you can afford it. However, time passes and you don't get engaged and you don't get married as you once thought. In fact, you break up. Now what? Recently, I had a case where a former boyfriend and girlfriend bought a house together. 2 years later, they were no longer together and the mortgage was in arrears, but the girlfriend wanted to stay. She was willing to buy him out, but to come up with the number to buy him out was an issue. He had put work into the house, helped update it, along with paying part of the mortgage and down payment. In the end, they came to an agreement, but it was made difficult because had they been married, then probate laws would have applied. Instead, they had to create their own agreement where one person still felt they didn't get enough money and the other person was taking on significant debt. 2. Pay your rent and recurring bills. You may think that the landlord is the bad guy, and rich for that matter. However, most have mortgages on their property and have to pay each month too. So when a tenant does not pay their rent, this is an issue. Then the tenant continues to stay without paying rent. The eviction process gets started and then court. In the end, months have passed without rent. Most landlords know they will not get the back rent and would rather come up with an agreement where the non-paying tenant leaves right away so they can clean the apartment and rent it to a paying tenant. I had another case where a couple was living together and then one left, and the one that remained was unable to afford the rent and stopped paying. They were given 3 months to find a new place and did not even look, and then came to court to beg for another week. Needless to say, the landlord was not in a giving mood and the original execution remained. If you have a recurring bill, then the same rule applies. You should keep an eye on your budget and make sure you have enough money. Job loss and other hardships happen. Try to save money so if something does happen, you can pay your bills. And if not, then try not to make the situation worse. Lastly, keep all receipts and get things in writing. I know I've said this repeatedly. If you are trying to reach an agreement but bring no proof, but the other party has documents, then who do you think will win? Who deserves to win? It's the evidence, the documents, the receipts showing your side of the story that will help you come out on the winning side. There's one caveat. Pictures taken on cell phones, iPad, or smartphones need to be developed. In a case about damage to property, the party with the property damage did not bring in estimates of the damages. They couldn't come to an agreement because there was no number to work from. You may believe that these are uncommon stories. They are not. These cases involve what I would consider to be normal, average people. Mediation is always an option to solve disagreements, but the disagreements may be avoided altogether by being aware of the 3 most common mistakes. To support health and wellness practitioners, True North Business Consulting has created the True North Guidebook, a great value to help your business. We also offer forms to get your business started and to continue to grow. These affordable forms and the guidebook are available on our website, truenorthbusinessconsulting.com. Thank you for listening to the True North Business Consulting video production. For more information about our services, please go to truenorthbusinessconsulting.com, where you can find information about our one-on-one coaching, group coaching, educational seminars, private mediation services, and much more. You can also sign up for our newsletter called Compass Point Bulletin, which gives out monthly information and special offers. Thank you.